Hi art lovers, I am Sanu, creator of this channel Das Art Tech. Today I am sharing with you all my new oil painting work on oil sketch paper. Here I have tried to make a village scenery. Maybe I could have done much better, but I was facing many problems while doing it as a true beginner of oil painting. I was trying for the first time oil colors with very little ideas. This making process was started on 9 September 2020 and to achieve the end result it took me about 15 days. Nothing much to say now dear viewers, so enjoy the timeless video. Thank you for watching.